Open the eCalendar app, select a calendar, and tap Photos to view. Add photos. Tap the Add Photo button in the bottom right corner to upload up to 9 photos at a time. Each photo must be under 50 megabytes. You'll get a notification once the upload is successful. You can upload videos as well. For better performance, we recommend uploading photos and videos separately. Each video must be under 200 megabytes. On the calendar device, tap Photos to select a photo or video. From there, you can rotate photos. You can set loop playback for all photos and videos. You can delete photos or videos. Choose between original size or full screen playback. You can enable full screen motion playback. Edit photo titles. Make sure to enable title display in settings. Customize playback effects like loop intervals, title display, and transition animations. View photo details. Mark your favorite photos. Go to Settings on the calendar device to enable Photo Screensaver mode. Set Auto Screensaver activation after inactivity. Choose random or sequential playback. Adjust the sorting order for photos and videos. Set the loop playback interval. Turn the photo title display on or off. That's it. Now you can manage photos and videos with ease. Enjoy!